Tired of fumbling with chip readers? Let's unlock the magic of contactless payments with your debit card in just 90 seconds. First, make sure your debit card is contactless. Look for the contactless symbol Y euro. It resembles a Wi-Fi symbol turned on its side. Y euro usually located on the front or back of your card. Not all debit cards have this feature, so if you don't see it, you'll need to request a new card from your bank. Ready to pay? Simply hold your contactless debit card within 1 to 2 inches of the contactless payment terminal. The terminal will usually display a similar contactless symbol to guide you. Wait for the terminal to beep or display a confirmation message, such as payment approved, accompanied by a green checkmark. This indicates that the transaction is complete. The entire process usually takes just a few seconds. Keep in mind that contactless payments often have transaction limits, which vary by location and bank. You might need to use your PIN for larger purchases exceeding these limits. Check with your bank for specific details on your card's transaction limits. Contactless payments are also very secure. They use encryption technology to protect your card details and often incorporate tokenization, which replaces your actual card number with a unique digital identifier for each transaction, making it virtually impossible for fraudsters to steal your information. So there you have it. Contactless payments offer a fast, convenient, and secure way to pay with your debit card. Now you can breeze through checkout lines with ease. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Happy contactless paying!